Welcome to Think Global Education Services. In this video, we are going to discuss about the limiting reagent and determine the limiting reagent of a reaction. Limiting reagent is the one which has been completely used up in the reaction and which decides the theoretical yield of the product in the reaction. Limiting reagent decides the theoretical yield of the product in a reaction and is being completely used up in the reaction. So to determine the theoretical yield and to find the limiting reagent in a reaction, the first thing we should have a balanced chemical equation. In this problem, we have a balanced chemical equation in which ammonia is reacting with copper oxide to produce nitrogen gas. So the next step is to convert the mass of the reactants into its mole and to obtain the mole ratio. Convert the mass of the reactants to mole ratio. So, if you consider the number of moles of ammonia in this reaction, that is N of ammonia will be equal to given mass is 18.01 to the molecular mass of ammonia which will be equal to 1.06 moles and number of moles of copper oxide will be equal to given mass over here is 90.40 gram to the molecular mass of 63.55 plus 16.00 gram per mole, which will be equal to 1.14 mole of copper oxide. The third step is to compare the mole ratios. Compare the mole ratios obtained by the given mass and the theoretical calculations. So mole ratio from equation will be ammonia by copper oxide, which is 2 by 3, which is equal to 0.667, and the mole ratio by given mass from given mass will be equal to 1.06 divided by 1.14. That will be equal to 0.930. So if we compare the mole ratio of the ammonia and copper oxide, which are obtained from the equation and the given mass, The mole ratio of copper oxide with respect to ammonia is larger than the required ratio in the equation. And thus, we can come to the conclusion that ammonia is in excess and the copper oxide is the limiting reactant in this equation. Thank you for watching the video.